This is an outrage. The outermost layers, and it's called the corona. The sun has caught corona. This is indisputable facts. Facts. Facts are right here. Facts are right there. Facts are right here. Facts. Wait. Oh, my eyes deceive me. Produced by Corona Modelo in Mexico. It was the Mexicans. People blame the China. Where was the Mexicans?